Fund-of-fund GPs look at every underlying fund through two lenses, the numbers and the story. The schedule of investments covers the numbers, and portfolio company highlights cover the story. Together, they tell you whether a fund is actually performing or just reporting well. The problem? Those company highlights usually get buried in investor reports and never make it anywhere useful, until now. As GP reports come in, Mantle pulls out portfolio company highlights and organizes them into a clear review table. You're always a one-click verify away from seeing exactly where that information appears in the source document. You can also click Edit to input any additional information. Your CRM is where this data does its best work. Mantle can help sync this information into your CRM by mapping each holding to its internal CRM ID. When you're ready, export everything in one click, formatted exactly the way your CRM expects it. No manual cleanup, no reformatting. The portfolio intelligence library that previously lived in someone's head or never got built at all now practically builds itself.